How to fix Wi-Fi icon not showing on laptop or PC. So if you want to fix Wi-Fi icon not showing on your laptop or your PC, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply search for control panel. Under your control panel, you'll have an option of network and internet. You need to go with it, or network and sharing center, and then go with set up a new connection or network. This will open up a new menu, and from there you'll select set up a new connection or network. Now you'll see this window. Select manually connect to a wireless network and then go with next. And then you need to enter your network name, your security type, your encryption type, and then your security key, and start this connection automatically, and then go with next. If this step doesn't work for you, there's another option available. You can just simply go with the network section, which will be on the bottom. And you'll see all of the networks available. You should find a network named hidden network. Or you can also go with more Wi-Fi settings, which will be on the bottom. And here you will have fixed Wi-Fi issues, and you can run the troubleshooter. And once you run it, your problem might be fixed. Or just simply go and restart your device, and that's it. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.